Today, I'm out on the trail testing the ABKDO electric dirt bike, and I've got to say, this one surprised me more than I expected. Right out of the box, the build feels solid. It's not overly heavy, which makes it easier to handle on tighter tracks, but it still feels sturdy when you're pushing it a bit harder over bumps and rough terrain. Now on the trail, the power delivery is actually pretty smooth. It's not crazy aggressive like some high-end models, but for casual riders or beginners, that's a good thing. You get enough torque to climb small hills without feeling like the bike is struggling. Battery life is decent. I got a solid ride session in before noticing any major drop-off, though I wouldn't plan an all-day adventure without a spare charge option. Suspension is okay, nothing premium here, but it does take the edge off rough paths. So is it worth your money? If you're looking for an affordable entry-level electric dirt bike for fun trail riding, yeah, it makes sense. But if you want pro-level performance, you might want to look higher up the range.